Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am looking a little different, a little chopped and screwed. Today was a wash day. I tried out some new products. I blow dried, I flat ironed, and I did a thing. So, if you are interested to see how we even got to all of this, please watch this video. And you know what? Before you continue, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe, okay? Because I did something very impulsive. Like I just did it, okay? So make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, so I did not wash my hair. It is a little bit wet right now, but that is okay. I have no product in it at all. My hair is actually kind of dirty. If you guys remember, I had straightened it a little bit when I did that wig review not too long ago. So I haven't washed or done anything to it since then. Of course, we got some shrinkage or whatever. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. I am ready to try out these products and just, get it going. Okay, so Ciara Love sent me their Carotene hair treatment kit. I'm actually not going to use the Carotene booster that comes in it just because I do have natural hair and I don't really want to straighten my hair. I more so want the proteins and stuff that they provide in their 3-step kit. So this is what the box looks like. And I'll show you what all comes in this box. So of course we have the Carotene Booster Pre-Treatment for resistant hair. This is pretty much like if you've ever had a texturizer or a perm. It's kind of like that. It's definitely not as strong as a perm, but still it helps with straightening your natural hair, but still keeping those proteins or whatever in it. I think if you do a keratin treatment, so I did have one like back in the day. I think it lasts for about 3 months. But like I said before, I'll be doing the 3-step treatment. So let's get into the details of these babies. Up first, we have the Ciara Love Purifying Shampoo that cleans the hair deeply, reduces hair brittles, and split ends. Then we have step 2, which is the Carotene Lotion. Helps eliminate frizzy hair, smooths and straightens stubborn hair. It gives the hair the ability to return to its natural, healthy state. And last but not least, we have step 3, the hair mask. It deeply conditions the hair with its unique blend of agents that detangle and revitalize dry and dull hair. Hair masks are always essential, especially when you have natural hair and you're trying to go on this whole natural hair journey and all those things. You need to do your hair mask. You need to make sure your hair is being moisturized and all of those good things. Another thing is you need to make sure that your hair is being trimmed or cut or whatever. Me, I have not been doing that like I should. And of course, I can't really go get that done right now because of our current state. So today I will be trimming or cutting my hair. Right now, of course, I have a bunch of shrinkage, so you can't really see how long my hair is. And once I blow it out, then we'll get a chance to see how long it is right this moment and how much hair I need to cut off. Honestly, I kind of want to just do a, just straight bob because I know my hair is longer than that. But we'll see. But let's just go ahead and get started with this hair treatment. Of course, we're starting off with step 1, the Purifying Shampoo. When I wash my hair, I wash it in sections just because my hair is so thick. So I'm going to go ahead and section it off and then we'll get it started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my spray bottle. It's literally just water in here. And I'm going to get my hair a little bit more wet. Because who washes their hair if it's not wet? Like, you know? this side is the shampoo. Like, I can already feel like the tingly and the protein and this and that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side now. Okay, so our hair is washed. It is a little dry right now because that's just how my hair is. Like, it literally soaks up like moisture. So literally after I wash my hair, how many times have I said literally? Anyway, after I wash my hair and get all the product out, my hair just is dry, but it feels really, really clean, and I'm happy with that. So yes, I read the directions, but I'm not going to really follow them. Here's why. Because I'm not doing the Carotene hair treatment, like the straightener part, hear me out. So step 3 is the hair mask, right? So this kind of acts like a conditioner in a way. So I'm going to use the hair mask. So after reading the directions on the box and all those things, step 2 is the hair lotion, right? And it says, dry your hair and put this in your hair before you straighten it, and then rinse it out, then do the hair mask. The same steps I use to shampoo my hair, I'm going to use to do the hair mask. Right now I'm using this comb to just comb out my hair, kind of use it as a detangler. I did a pretty good job when I was shampooing it by keeping it detangled and things like that. So I'm just going to work that hair mask through it with the comb. And now that I've worked that hair mask all throughout my hair, it says to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. Okay, we are back. We are washed. I do like to towel dry my hair a little bit before I blow dry it. So that's what I was doing. Oh child, this head look crazy. This head look crazy. And yeah, we are good to go. I have about like 2 or 3 different textures in my hair, so it's kind of really hard for me to describe it to people, you know. Let's keep it moving, let's keep it shaking, let's get to drying this hair, because that is going to take a minute, honey. Like, do y'all see the shrinkage? Like, bro. So my hair is 100% dried and blow dried. I am going to throw it back, all the way back into time, and use a hot comb because my hair is thick, and like literally the flat iron that I have is not going to get my hair like bone straight. Like, it's not going to give what it's supposed to give. So I got a hot comb, so I'll be using that momentarily. And I got my old school hot comb, y'all. I haven't used one of these in so long, but it's about to be lit. I got my chai, whatever you call it, heat protector. Y'all see the smoke? Let's just start with putting that on this area here. Y'all, this is a time I wish my grandma was living with me, because to hot comb your own hair, bruh, it's not easy. Me being me, I didn't read the full description on Amazon, so like, I ordered this flat iron, but it's literally like the old school flat iron. I meant to purchase like the electrical ones, like modern days, but I didn't because I was in such a rush to do this. So I'm gonna have to put it back on the stove. It's losing its, you know what I mean? Okay, we are back and my hair is blow dried. It is hot combed. I didn't put the heat on too much because, you know, I'm going to use the flat iron. Our last and final step, actually our second to last step, because I am going to a little bit. So let's just get it done. Okay, so the first half is straightened, not looking too bad. We just gonna go ahead and do the other side because, child, whew, this is a lot. This is a lot. Okay, so I was able to get my hair pretty straight. I did a little middle part action, but I'm actually going to chop it a little bit. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and do that. I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Let's do that. Okay, now that my hair is parted down the middle, you can start the trimming, cutting process that way. Now, I'm no expert. I am just doing what I think should be done to my hair. Honestly, I'm not that pressed on like the length because it's hair. It'll grow back. I more so just want my hair to be as healthy as possible. Part of me just wants to do like a blunt cut, but I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Okay, that looks much better to me. I still could use a little bit more probably, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. What y'all think? Y'all think I should cut me some more bangs? Let me see. I might regret this later. I just might regret this later. But guess what? YOLO. YOLO. Here we go. Oh, shit. Y'all, I can't believe I just did this. I mean, let me just flat iron these little things. Well, alright y'all, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. I don't really know how I feel yet. I actually think I like it, but let's call Matt in to get his opinion. Hey Matt.
Yeah.
Come here just real quick. Alright, so what do you think?
It's nice.
You think so?
Yeah. Is that just your hair for the video or?
No, like I literally cut my hair just now.
Oh, that's nice.
You see all this?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I got some on the carpet too. Would you like it?
Yeah.
I didn't do a half bad job, you think?
No, yeah, it's good.
Thank you for your support. All right, y'all. Matt approves. He said it's nice, so when he says it's nice, that just means it's not bad. If it was bad, he would have told me. But I'm going to stop cutting because I will end up going choppy chop more and more and more. Here, let me FaceTime my mom real quick and see what she says. Mom.
Yeah.
I'm recording. I was trying to get your response. What do you think?
You cut your hair?
I did. Quarantine made me do it. You don't like it? Yeah, I can. It's not that short.
Yeah.
What?
That's a wig.
It's not a wig. All right, you'll see on Thursday when I post the video.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I needed to cut my ends, but then I was just like, let me just snip. My ends still aren't that great, but it's cool. But yeah, I'm about to close out this video, so I'll call you later. Bye. She thought it was a wig, like, come on, sis. Alright, y'all. This is it for real. I'm going to, oh my god, I haven't had my hair straight or had to wrap it in so long. Like, wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna wrap my hair. And we just want to see what it looks like tomorrow. Hopefully I don't regret this. If I do, there's the wigs. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Wow. Can't believe I did that. That was not a part of the plan for this video, like, at all. But whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of the other impulsive things that I might do during this time. I'll see you in the next video.